It's time to do some wrenching.
Okay, what we have here is the Harbor Freight flaring toolkit. I picked this up a couple weeks ago, and I'll show you how to use it. I'll show you how to put a flare on a 3/16 brake line. Because sometimes you have to. I'll show you why in a second. But first, you take this plumber tube cutter, and you can use cutoff wheels. You could use a hacksaw if you wanted to. And you just turn this and spin it. Every time you spin it, turn it. Spin it, turn it. See, there you go. And when you do that, what you do is your hole inside there will be a little smaller. So you ream it out. Okay, and now say like your ends were like this, but you needed an end. Say like this, like I needed a couple weeks ago. Like mine went to the ABS system, and the other end went to a hydraulic hose that goes to the brake caliper. So what I had to do is put something like this on. Put that on first. And you make sure you put that on first. And you take your tool, you go to the 3/16 slot. I'm gonna bend this so be easier to show on here. You go to this slot here. And you don't want to tighten it all the way yet until you take one of these. These are all labeled. This one's 3/16. See if you can pick that up on there. Hope you can. All right, you put that in here. And you want to get these so they're even. Because you want that sticking up just enough so it's the same thickness as that insert. See if you can see it here. And then you tighten these up. Tighten these up. And then you stick this insert right in there. Take this. And get this right into, it's got a little dimple there you got to get it into. Try to get it straight as you can. And you just tighten this down until it bottoms out. Okay, it bottomed out. So back off. Take that out. Put it there for now. And then put this into the brake line hole there. Tighten this down until it bottoms out. Get it straight. And then let it back off. And then you loosen these up. And hopefully you got a nice flare on there. Which, yep, you do. Yeah, it's pretty nice. The paint kind of like, because this is an old line that I had laying around, but it's a good flare on there. And then see, like that goes right on there. And now you got a brake line which they don't sell in the stores. They don't sell something like this. You can't find it. I don't know. I couldn't find any anyways. So that's how you flare it. It's pretty easy. You know, a couple times, do it. Practice on a line and something a couple times, and it's fairly easy to do. Okay, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and hit that bell.